Today we will study transpose, symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel Omkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it. Transpose of matrix means interchanging rows and columns of matrix. It is denoted by A dash or A raised to T. For example, shown in slide. Properties of matrix. A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. A into B transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. A into A transpose equal to 1. Then matrix A is called orthogonal matrix. Now we will learn in detail one of the property of transpose of matrix. If consider one example, if A matrix A is equals to matrix 1 minus 3 2 minus 1 and B is equals to matrix 1 0 1 2 minus 1 3. Verify that AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Solution. First, take matrix A 1 minus 3 2 minus 1 2 by 2 matrix and matrix B is equals to 1 0 1 2 minus 1 3. So 2 row and 3 column. Multiply matrix A and B. Matrix A is 2 by 2 matrix and matrix B is 2 by 3 matrix. Here for first matrix, column of first matrix and row of second matrix are equal. Therefore, product of AB is determined and its order is 2 by 3. Then, for determine product AB, AB is equals to matrix A 1 minus 3 2 minus 1 and matrix B 1 0 1 2 minus 1 3. So, according to the rule of multiplication of matrix, multiply first row of the first matrix and column of the second matrix. So we get first, second, third element. Here we multiply 1 into 1, 1, 2 into minus 3, minus 6. So 1 minus 6. Then 1 into 0, 0. Minus 3 into minus 1, 3. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 3 into 3. Minus 3 into 3. Minus 9. Then second row of the first matrix and column of second matrix. So 2 into 1, 2. Minus 1 into 2. Minus 2. Then 2 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus plus 1. Then 2 into 1, 2. Minus 1 into 3. Minus 3. Then the product AB is equals to matrix minus 5, 3, minus 8, 0, 1 and minus 1. Then transpose of matrix. Transpose of matrix is equals to transpose of matrix AB is equals to minus 5, 3, minus 8, 0, 1, minus 1. Transpose means column changes to row and row changes to column. So here first row of the product AB is converted into first column of the product AB dash and similarly second row converted into second column. Then now to verify right hand side part. Here right hand side part is B dash into A dash, that is transpose of B dash is multiply transpose of A dash. Then here A, matrix A and matrix B. Matrix A and matrix B. And for matrix A, the transpose of A is column changes to row and row changes to column. Similarly, for matrix B, 1 0 1, this row changes to column and second row changes to second column. So matrix A dash is 2 by 2 matrix and matrix B dash is 3 by 2 matrix. Now multiplication of B dash into A dash. B dash 1 2 0 minus 1 1 3 1 2 0 minus 1 1 3, and matrix A dash transpose of A is 1 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1. Then according to the multiplication rule of the matrix, first row of the first matrix is multiply second column or first column of second matrix. There here B dash is the first matrix and A dash is the second matrix. So 1 into 1 1, 2 into minus 3 minus 6, 1 into 2 2, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, then 0 into 1 0, minus 1 into minus 3 minus minus plus 3 0, then minus 1 into minus 1 minus minus plus 1 1 into 1, then 3 into 3 9, but there is a minus sign, so minus 9, 1 into 2 2, and 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Then the product A dash B dash, then the product A dash B dash is equals to 5 minus 5 0 3 1 minus 8 minus 1. Hence right hand side part and left hand side part are equal. Therefore the property of transpose of matrix is verified. Any square matrix A can be expressed as sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix is equals to matrix A plus transpose of matrix A divided by 2. Skew symmetric matrix is difference between matrix A and its transpose divided by 2. For any skew symmetric matrix, leading diagonal elements become 0. Symmetric matrix is equals to A dash and skew symmetric matrix is equals to minus A dash. For symmetric and for skew symmetric matrix, consider example: express matrix A as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, where A is equals to matrix 4 2 minus 3 1 3 minus 6 minus 5 0 minus 7. For any square matrix is converted is sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. In last slide we see that symmetric matrix is equals to sum of matrix and its transpose divided by 2. Skew symmetric matrix is difference of matrix and its transpose divided by 2. Symmetric matrix is equals to A dash and skew symmetric matrix is equals to minus A dash. Now matrix A is 4 2 minus 3 1 3 minus 6 minus 5 0 minus 7 is a square matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns. This square matrix is converted into transpose of matrix. Transpose means column changes to row and row changes to column. So here first row converted into first column, second row converted into second column, third row converted into third column. Then symmetric matrix is equals to A plus A dash divided by 2. First we want to add matrix and its transpose. So write A plus A dash. Matrix A 2 4 2 minus 3 1 3 minus 6 minus 5 0 minus 7 plus 4 1 minus 5 2 3 0 minus 3 minus 6 minus 7. According to sum of algebra of matrix, we get minus 8 3 minus 8 3 6 minus 6 minus 8 minus 6 and minus 14. Then symmetric matrix is equals to half of matrix A and its transpose. Matrix half of sum of matrix A and its transpose. So 1 upon 2 into A plus A dash. A plus A dash is equals to 8 3 minus 8 3 6 minus 6 minus 8 minus 6 and minus 14. So now to determine skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix is difference of matrix and its transpose divided by 2. Then write matrix A minus A dash. Matrix A is equals to 4 2 minus 3 1 3 minus 6 minus 5 0 minus 7 minus transpose of matrix A. Row changes to column. So 4 2 minus 3 1 3 minus 6 1 3 minus 6 minus 5 0 minus 7 minus 3 minus 5 0 minus 7. Then we know that when we subtract matrix and its transpose, diagonal elements become 0. So 4 minus 4 0, 3 minus 3 0, minus 7 minus minus plus 7 0, and remaining elements 1 minus 2 minus 1 is equals to 1, minus 3 minus minus plus 5 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 6 minus 0 minus 6 minus 5 minus minus plus 3 minus 2 0 minus minus plus 6 6. Then skew symmetric matrix is difference of matrix and its transpose divided by 2. So 1 upon 2 into difference of matrix and its transpose, 0 1 upon 2 into matrix 0 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 6 minus 2 6 0. Then matrix A is equals to 1 upon 2 into sum of matrix and its transpose plus 1 upon 2 difference of matrix and its transpose. Therefore, any square matrix is the result of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Means when we solve this part, we again get the value of matrix A. Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. I will come with new topic in my next video soon. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye and have a good day.